Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You already aware, I promised to my my subscriber, I will be upload 365 videos in 1 year. So today we are starting your journey with Python programming. Okay, so Python is one of the most popular and easy to learn programming language used in data scientists. So don't worry, if you are never written code before, we are going to make this fun and simple. Okay, so first of all, what is a Python? Okay, so Python is a magic wand, okay, that helps you talk to computer. Okay, it's like help to talk to computers. Okay, so with Python you can tell the computer to do things like add numbers, draw shapes, make decision, and even analyze data to help solve the real world problems. Okay, so first Python code, like everyone teach hello world. I think you already aware. So let's write your first Python program together. It's called hello world. Okay, so it is a simple program that tell the computer to say hello world on the screen. Okay, so here how you do it. Okay, first of all, I open my VS Code editor. Okay, this is a editor. Okay. So I'm just write a sentence to print hello world. Okay, print hello world. Okay, when I execute this code, you can see here, yeah, it's printing hello world. Okay, so what happened in behind this code? Okay, so here we just understand print is a function tell Python to show something on the screen. Okay, or hello world here, hello, this is this function. Okay, it's a tell Python. Okay, Python to show something on the screen, this one. Okay, and this is a message. Okay, message we want to print. Okay, so I just explain in whiteboard. 1 minute, I just choose. Okay, so you I think you are not aware. I will be teach or more functions. Okay, regarding different means task, or like different specific job. Okay, so print print is a function. Okay, with a bracket. Okay, so here you like you want to print something. Okay, your message called message. Okay, so you want to print like something YouTube. Okay, YouTube. So I just go to my Python code and write here YouTube. Okay, and then run again. You can see here you in terminal YouTube. Okay, so first of all, congratulations, you just wrote your first Python program. Okay, so you are here I called function, a word function. Okay, so in Python program, a function like tool, okay, or a magic spell that does a specific job. Okay, so what I'm saying function function is a like a tool. Okay, tool that perform or like does a specific job, a specific job or like task, we can say. Okay, So for example, here print I already function text on the function print the text on the screen. Okay, and you can use this function whenever you want to show something to the user, right? Pretty cool, right? So here I will explain one more keyword or like one more topic like variable. Okay, so here I just show it. Okay, so I'm using variables. Okay, so first of all, write variables. Take a variables. So variables now, variable is like a box where you can store things like numbers, words, list. You can name the box anything you want. Okay, so suppose I want to store something. Okay, so 1 minute I will show you in visualization, so you will be I think easily remember. This is a variable. Okay, so variable is nothing. Variable is a like we can say empty box. When you declare a variable, it's create a empty box. Okay, like we can say empty container. Okay, so uh, so I just write one program on front of you. So I just write one program to print something. Okay, so suppose name equals to I just give in Harish, and I just assign my age 29, and I just print name, and I want to print also age. Okay, so I just run the code. You can see here printing Harish and 29. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, so I just explain on whiteboard. I'm just opening whiteboard. Yeah, so I just define here first of all name, right? Name in program. 1 minute. Choose ink and I just mention name equals to Harish, right? And age equals to 29. And then I print, again I use print function and assign the name. I want to print name, okay? And I also want to print here age. Okay, so here what happening here when I declare name, okay, so I'm doing nothing. I'm just creating one box which have name of name. Okay, it's like declare create a empty box in memory with name. Okay, and when I declared one more variable name age. Okay, so it's nothing, is create one more container or like box which name is age. Then age. Okay, so in name box now have a value is Harish, and age box have value 29. Okay, so when I want to print name means message. Okay, I want to print this value, so just print this variable fetching the value from here, and this age fetching value from here, this box. Okay, so we can say this is a location. Okay, just fetch from there. Okay, so here name like Harish, we create a box called the name and put the word Harish inside it. Okay, and age we create another box called age. Okay, and put the number like 29 inside it. Okay, then print name and print age. We just telling Python to show us the content of the name and age boxes. Okay, so I think you understand this concept. So 1 minute. Here, okay. Now I just explained. We can also do mathematics with help of Python. We can. Okay. So basically, Python can also do math. We can use it to add, subtract, multiplication, divisions. Okay. So for example, I just open my VS Code editor and I write some code. Okay, so I just a equals to 10. It means I declare a variable a and uh, assign the value 10. Okay, and now I create different box. Okay, then b name b and declare, just assign different value 20. Okay, then I declare third variable name of sum and just add variable a and variable b. Okay, then call to function print to print a specific message like sum. I want to check some value. Okay, so I just execute the program. You can see here value 30 because 10 plus 20 equals to 30. Okay, same thing if I want to subtract. Okay, so you just I just create one more variable equal sub equals to b minus a. Okay, then print sub. Now I sorry, yeah, my mistake. Print and then I just print the function. So you can see here output is 10. Yeah, we can also subtract a minus b. It's nothing. It's like showing correct minus 10. Okay, same thing we can perform on like multiplication. So like I just defined mul as a variable a multiply by b. So here star showing multiplication. Okay, a star symbol for multiplication, and just print mul. Okay, then last is division. Okay, so I just write a code like div equals to b divide by, here I just write two forward slash, right? We can also use one forward slash. So I just mention one more here. I will be explain in next to next video what is the difference between one slash or two slash. Okay, so here 2 equals to b by divided by a or b divided by b. Okay, and I want to print both. Print div1 and print div2. Okay, so just like run the code, you can see addition is 30 and subtraction minus 10 and multiplication is 200, and when I divide by 20 by 10 then I got 2. Okay, and then I divide by single forward slash then it's like 2.0. Okay, so you can see your only integer value here, float value. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, so I just explain on whiteboard. So first of all, when I declare a value variable a, again it's create a container. Okay, container a, container a. Okay, then I declare variable b, then again just create a new container or new box b. Okay, and I declare sum, then it again create a new variable. Okay, so, name of sum, then I create new variable, copy paste here for subtraction, and then for multiplication, for division 1, and then for division 2. Okay, so we can see here I define I declared around 7 variables. Okay, so and you can see 7 variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I just write the name below the box. So here I just write name A variable, here B variable, here some variable, here sub for subtraction, and here mul for multiplication, here div1 and here div2. Okay, so here what first we perform, I take value from A and take value from B and add, then store in this box. Okay, same for this subtraction. First I take value from, I think I did A minus B, right? So first I take value from A. Okay, then take value from took value from B and store in box. Okay, so your result value. Same for multiplication, for take took the both value and took for both value for division and took for value same division 2. Okay, so it's like first perform the operation, then result storing in box. Okay, so like it's like funda, we can say. So your first challenge. Okay, now let's make it fun. Try create your own variable and math program here. Here are the ideas. Create two box. Okay, for your favorite number and one is your friend's favorite number, and add them together and print the result. Okay, first of create this. You should be create Python code, any editor. Okay, so thank you, that's all for this video. So what will be next? Okay, so what's like you have just learned basic Python programming, like printing message, using variable, and doing math. Okay, in next video we will dive deeper into Python function, and I will show you how to use them to do even more cool stuff. Okay, so I just give one key point to remember in for this session. So it's like I can say this Python like a toolbox. Okay, this is Python, complete Python. Okay, this is toolbox. Suppose this is a box, toolbox, toolbox. So today we just open the first drawer. Okay, first drawer is like we have like lot of drawers. So first we open first drawer. Okay, so please keep practicing, and soon you will be Python pro. Okay, so that's all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't don't miss tomorrow lessons. Okay, so see you tomorrow, data scientist. Thank you.